Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to fix update errors 0x800f0922, 0x80073712, and 0x80240069 while installing KB5083631 on Windows 11. Let's get straight into it. Start with the basics. Open Settings. Windows Update, click Check for Updates and try installing again. If it fails, restart your PC and retry. A simple reboot can resolve temporary update issues. Next, pause updates for a few days, then resume them. This refreshes the update process and can fix stuck downloads. Now press Windows Search, type Services, and open it. Find these three services: App Readiness, Background Intelligent Transfer Service, Windows Update. Open each one, set startup type to automatic, start the service if it's stopped, then restart it. After that, repair system files, search for command prompt, run it as administrator, and enter sfc/scano, DSM online, cleanup image, restore health. Wait for each scan to complete before continuing. If the issue persists, manually install the update. Visit the Microsoft Update Catalog, search for KB5083631, download the correct version for your system, usually x64, and install it manually. You can also repair Windows Update itself. Go to Settings, System, Recovery, then use the option to reinstall Windows using Windows Update. This keeps your files and apps intact. Another effective method is resetting Windows Update components. Create a bat file with reset commands, run it as administrator, and let it clear corrupted update files. Finally, if nothing works, use the Windows 11 Installation Assistant to upgrade your system. This forces the update and bypasses most errors. That's it. One of these methods should fix the problem. If this helped you, drop a like and subscribe to Error Genie for more quick fixes.